में जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे।
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू नेस्मा, ऑल द बेस्ट।
We should not put our left hand. We have to put our right hand.
Brownie auntie, brownie auntie.
बहुत क्यूट है, बहुत।
पंजाब केसरी, रेशमा पंजाब केसरी। मस्त बना है वीडियो। That's right. NPL.
अच्छा हमारा YouTube पर आ गई। One more suggestion. I prefer.
पंजाब केसरी।
और ये स्मार्ट टाइटंस बच्चों की गेम काफी दहला देने वाली थी। आर्या पाल का मुकाबला था।
यतिका कम यार, यतिका
बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म था ये। Ready to rock, guys? Yo! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! आज देखते हैं
bayar ke saat क्या लगे
Before starting, I must like to thank Reddy ji for granting his permission and giving his time, dedication, his support. रेड्डी जी की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम होगी ये टूर्नामेंट में। Starting from his support from installing banners, installing lights, lowering the fans, removing the fans, and increasing the leg side limit for 2 runs. सब चीज़ के अंदर रेड्डी जी ने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया है। And apart from this, I would like to also add कि जितना भी हम लोग डेली टूर्नामेंट करते हैं उसमें हम लोग इतना गंदगी करते हैं, प्लास्टिक का बोतल पानी पीने के बाद यहाँ वहाँ जिधर भी डालते हैं। In the end, Reddy ji is the one who is supporting for us for ensuring the guy who is helping us for training. So I will anyone waiting for you.
बहुत ही अच्छा रहा लास्ट 2 वीक्स फर्स्ट 2-3 वीक्स से और सब बिजी था और घर में शायद बहुत लोगों को बीवी से लगा कंप्लेंट हुआ होगा बहुत लोगों का so but really we all enjoyed and I think we'll do the next year better than this and you continue with your program. Thank you once again and have a good day.
इसके साथ I'd like to thank all the NPL core committee team, Avinash, Ghanshyam, Prabhakar ji, for giving their time, dedication for hosting this tournament. And last but not the least, I would like to thank our better half also, because for organizing this event, it is just because of sacrificing their family time. I would like to thank you and my wife and Avinash wife and all core committee wives as well. Now before we go, I would like to hand over the mic to Avinash for further processing of this presentation. Thank you.
थैंक यू कुशन भाई. आई थिंक कोर कमेटी का नाम लेते वक्त कुशन भाई खुद का नाम बोल गए. सो प्लीज शेयर फॉर स्टेज. I would like to thank them as well. They are this time they are the new sponsor to us. The third one is Royal Malabar, who is our food as well. They are catering food for last 3 years to us. And the last but not least, Mr. Ankush Bhai, he has 2 units, Syndicate and the Unisol. He has every time he is sponsoring to us. So thanks to all the sponsors. And the next, I would like to call all my core committee guys on the stage to give the medals to all the franchise and the owners. Without their support, it was really not possible. So I would like to call first franchise and the owner. Of course, we'll start with the competition as it was. The winner, Mr. Devinder Singh and Mr. Sumit, please.
बजना चाहिए ढोल.
Thank you again for your support. Thank you very much. The next I would like to call Mr. and Mrs. Thank you for your valuable support. From NPL 1, you are the one. Thank you for your trust and patience on us.
Beta, if you don't mind, please. Beta.
The next I would like to call Mr. Manoj Jain and Mr. Naveen. The next one I would like to call Mr. Rajesh Jaiswalji. franchise of Gladiators team. From MPL 1, he is with us. The next one, our official sponsor Plus, he has won our team as well. The franchise and the owners of Nisma Sunrisers, please come here. Thank you Reddy sir, thank you Lakshmi Bhabi for all your support and trust and patience with us. Again the last Mr. Ankush Bhatt. He is not there, so I will call Mr. Shiraj please on behalf for Ankush. Please, this is the name. Shiraj Bhai, please. Nisma Sultan.
No bonding.
Before I proceed for the players and winning teams trophies, मुझे एक कहना है कि from the one we announced the MPL, we started the practice, and once we started the practice, the only there is one villa who we start disturbing them. Can you guess which is that villa? He is the most who get disturbed, but with that patience, he never tell anything to us. He supported, so he is the one who always giving us the unconditional support. So I would really like to call Mr. Sriram on the stage. So please, everyone come below. Without your support, it's not possible, Mr. Sriram.
Actually, this is first time somebody is getting this one without playing, without doing anything. This is first time somebody is getting. First of all, we will miss our good morning on Fridays. We wake up because of this. Normally, I wake up at 10, 11, something like that. But because of you guys' practice, I started 2 minutes early. So no worries. This should keep on happening every year basis. Yeah, that's another thing. So actually, we are getting confused with tomato and the ball in the backyard. Sometimes he's kicking and throwing it. So anyway, we enjoyed. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all the winners. श्रीराम भाई, आपका इंश्योरेंस प्लेट का प्रपोजल हमारे कंसिडरेशन में है.
What is the Naigo?
किड्स को हमें स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट सिखाना है, एंड आई थिंक विद दिस एज किड्स को ये मिल रहा है कि टूर्नामेंट खेलना है, कौन टॉप 1 है, रन रेट देखना है. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी बिग प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड वो जो 4 साल से हमारे साथ MPL खेल रहे हैं, एंड दे आर रियली ग्रोइंग अप, I'm worried that some of the guys will come to the gents and they will outperform us because they are the one who are always the top run scorer. They will be. So we'll start with the kids, and of course with the today's final, the runner-up I would like to call first. The captain, the mentor and the captain of Punjab Kesari, the runner-up first. Please come here. I would like to call Mr. Reddy. Mr. Reddy, sir, to please give the awards to the winners and the runner-up. Of Nisma Punjab Kesari as well. Please be present here. Kids. Mentors, captains, owners, please join us, please. I have the three teams, so I will not say there is a one runner-up. There is always a two runner-up because this team they were out of the tournament. Just one match here and there cannot decide the title. So these guys also deserve the runner-up.
Trophy. So I would like to call all the players of Nisma Super Kings on the stage. They all here and
First of all, I would like to thank my team. I would like to thank my team because of their support. Sweden.
To hand over the trophy to the captains and the mentors, please. Winners are always winners. So please welcome all the kids. team players, Nesma Marwal.
Congratulations to all the team winners.
Core committee. So there are a lot of there'll be more. Everyone can hear me, please. Okay. Okay. So there are a lot of positive things. There are very less negative things. But organizing a committee, a core committee, because I have a lot of experience in organizing many events and everything else. So the organizing committee always has a lot of pressure in it. So they cannot satisfy all the 100 people over here. So there will be a positive, there will be negative, but finally we need to appreciate the core committee over here. And personally, I would like to thank Rajesh Jaiswal Bhai, my gladiators owner. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to be in your team. And we performed well. But still we lose it, we will come back in the next one. And thanks to Nesma Marvels. To be frank, I don't want to take the credit for this team because I never gave them a practice. I never came to a practice. Just in the home, I used to tell something to Google, and then he goes to the field and he implement that. Full credit goes to the team, and I want everyone to encourage them and give a big round of applause. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Not there for some personal commitments. Mr. Reddy is already on the stage. So I would like to call Mr. Reddy. I like to tell Mr. Reddy to hand over all the players to the core committee guys, please. They would like to share some words of experience with all guys. Please welcome. Big hand for our organization committee, please guys. Without them, it's really not possible to play such a wonderful and fantastic NPL Season 3. So, I would like to say वी नो दैट कि भाई हमारे घर में शादी होती है तो 2-3 दिन में जो प्रिपरेशन करने में सब निकल जाता है। आगे
आवाज आ रहा है? ओके, सो आई जस्ट सिंपल से दैट कि भाई हमारे घर में कोई भी फंक्शन होता है, इवन स्मॉल फंक्शन इज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज, इवन फॉर 2 days, and they were managing since 1 month. If I just go with detail, we start to be registered, to prepare the Google form, to prepare the size of the jersey, to order the jersey and to bring them on the time. Also to arrange all the resources, ball, mat, posters, okay, and with the snacks every day. And all these cups and medals, it's really amazing. And there is one guy, I know, they all four. But Avi, if you whatever say for him, it's very less. Okay? I remember from this NPL 1 up to NPL 3, and you guys don't understand, because I'm normally talking with him many times. He always think about to improve. So his passion about this is really fantastic. Yes, every day you need to update the score, and many complaints. I started from myself when I lost my A-star player. I give him very hard time, but even he managed very well. So to listen everybody, to make them satisfied, yes, already Dada said 100% satisfaction is not possible, but to make this tournament very successful, it's really need very calm and passionate guy. So I really thank to Avi, Sushant, Ghanshyam bhai. Sushant also did excellent effort and support to him, apart from his day-to-day activity. So really, who has winner here? It's okay, but they are real winner to manage all of us, to make this tournament successful, and at the last, support is unconditional. Whenever go for anything, they have lots of complaints because 1 month we spent this ground. Yes. Okay? So at the end, I can say one thing for all everybody by 2 words in one शायरी कि कौन है वो जो लाए हमारे परवेश में गोताई, कौन है वो जो लाए हमारे परवेश में गोताई, हम वो है जो परोसनी हौसलों से उठे. I'm really thanks. There is no words for thanks for all of you guys. Thanks for all of us. On behalf of all of us, really thank you very much.
I really second what Jignesh said just now. You see, this tournament started, the first message came, I think, somewhere in March or February. So the preparation starts from February. Now you can say the mid of the May, where the tournament ends. It is very difficult to manage 100 players in one board, and you know there is always a chance that misunderstanding, conflicts. But I must say that NPL 3 is a grand success apart from NPL 1 and 2. So we learned many things in NPL 1 and 2, and you see, without any dispute, thanks for all the owners and captains for their support also. But the way they managed this tournament, it was really fabulous, and I am really proud to be a part of the owner team in this NESMA IPL. Saying this, a small token of appreciation we manage from NESMA Titans. I invite all teams of NESMA Titans to please come on stage. We'll give a small token of appreciation to our core committee members. Please, NESMA Titans, please be on stage here. They really deserve it. Really, it's very painful. Every day up to midnight. Yeah. Apurva, I want NESMA Titans owner to be on stage. Photos, many photos are there already. Please come. Vrunda Bhabhi, Avinash, Shruti Bhabhi, and
Vrunda Bhabhi, please come here.
Vidya Bhabhi.
Come. Without your support, this might not be happening, you know. Thackeray Bhabhi also.
Right.
Aye. lot of sacrifice here. Okay, so I just want to invite Nesma Titans owner, Mr. Apurva, to give the token of appreciation to Avinash and Shruti Bhavi. Please, they deserve more than this actually. That is a short time. And the second one is Ghansham Bhai and Bhavi. And I will invite Mr. Reddy and Bhavi ji to give this token of appreciation to Kushan and Bhavi. Yeah. Mr. Prabhakar is not here, but someone can please come on stage and please, on behalf of Mr. Prabhakar, someone has to take this. Please, come, beta, come. Hala. His daughter is here, please come on stage. So, Prabhakar, because of some commitment, is not here. Yeah. So, Apurva will give you token of appreciation to Prabhakar. Yeah. So really a fabulous tournament, and we wish all the best for all Nesma Parivar as well as the core committee members. Please arrange such a tournament twice in a year. It's very less. Agree, but you see how many people at home in the evening in last 2 months. हर फ्राइडे को 6 बजे उठता है यार, अगर कोई नहीं आता तो 10 बजे उठता है, बराबर ना? So they are making us physically fit. So this is what we are getting unhidden. Okay? So thank you all of you, and thank you again for Nesma Core Committee.
At least Avinash, Ghanshyam and myself will like to take this opportunity to thank our wives in the way they support us. So, our dress neat and clean, score sheet updating, first aid box preparation, compromising the family time. Luckily, हमको कुछ गाली नहीं पड़ा है घर से. Everyday coins manage करना, pen manage करना, अपना speed meter check करना, everything. It was really a thankless job, but yet to be appreciated. And Jaljeera order, yes. And being a chemical engineer, it is not her job to do this, but still she showed this spirit and did it for me. I will heartfelt thankful for her. Heartily thankful.
थैंक यू. बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जैसे हर साल ट्रॉफी की वापसी करते हैं, प्लीज हस्बैंड की वापसी कर दो. क्योंकि अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि कम्युनिटी मेंबर ही घर आ रहा है. अभी हस्बैंड वापस चाहिए, 1.5 महीने से हमारा फैमिली टाइम कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है. सो प्लीज अभी वापस आ जाओ कम्युनिटी मेंबर. As you know, I am a best player. It's my duty to support him. But still I am supporting him. Next fellow, he definitely win a trophy.
ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कमेटी के लिए बोला ना, प्लेयर के लिए. And thank you Jignesh Bhai and Ajit Dada for your lovely words. Thank you both of you for such a gesture. Thank you for your nice words. And really I would like to say that there is no one guy or another guy. The whole committee is a winner of this. Someone's efforts you can see, someone's efforts you can't see. They are supporting from the backside. But all 3-4 guys were with us all together. And our success is just one thing. the one-time success is a coincidence. लेकिन 4 टूर्नामेंट सक्सेसफुली करना और वही कमिटी के साथ करना, that was our big success. That is what I believe. हम हमेशा अलाइन होते हैं. Whoever free, whoever not free, we tell each other who can take this, who can take lead in this part, who can do this part. So I really appreciate all the 4 guys to be consistent. Thank you very much. To move on the next, so I'd like to call Nesma White Panthers team to receive their medals, and I'd like to call Mr. Manoj Jain and Mr. Naveen Patel to please hand over the medals to all their players. Nesma White Panthers.
Come on, guys, come on!
Give them a big round of applause. Mr. Mamola, Rajesh Pandey, Sri Patel, Ramesh Rajappan, Veda, and Captain Avinash Chittis. Give them a big round of applause.
बेटा आरोही इस साइड पीछे
Thank you.
The next one is Nesma Gladiators. So please, I'd like to call the players of all the Nesma Gladiators.
Mr. Mahukar, Kisan Mahukar, Arun Pashupati, and the captain, Captain Siraj. Mr. Money, small money injection. Give them a big round of applause. आज अगर उनके अंदर होते तो और भी मजा आता, शायद हमको डांस फ्लोर पे डांस दिखता। Thank you. I would like to thank everyone for visiting आ रही नहीं आ रही खाना दोगे तो आएगी I would like to thank every member of the committee and particularly my team. You know, they supported us well. Unfortunately, we couldn't get to the stage where we wanted, but we had one of the best teams, Sultans, and another appreciation for Ankush Yada, who supported us in thick and thin. And everybody in the Nesma family, you know, they supported us to the end. Families, kids, every single person from the whole Nesma Parivar. you know, they supported this NPL 3 and made it successful. So I would like to thank every single one of you for supporting your team and our team as well, and then supporting this committee. Thank you so much. Thank you, Siraj bhai. I'd like to call Mr. Ramesh also, Ramesh Rajappan. Okay.
The next one, who just missed the chance of final by few runs or few balls. Throughout the tournament they played well. The 4 continuous wins, they won the matches. Somehow here and there happened and they missed the chance for the finals. So I like to call the team members of all the Nisma Sunrisers. The owners and the captains are already here. The rest of the Sunrisers, please join. Sir is doing well. The player as well. Lakshmi Babi for supporting us. Vrindama for supporting his husband, Captain Kushan Patel. Brian.
1 minute.
Sai in the kids category. Suman Gambhir leg spinner, really bowled well throughout the tournament. Jai Patel, excellent fielder. Satyabhai, really wonderful sixes. Man, really done a lot of overs. Thank you Sunrisers for all the additions. The rockkeepers are placed over here. Shiva. Their contribution is also important for us. Google is there on behalf of Shiva. The batsman, he gave a tough time for the orange cap. The orange cap was moving from here and there because of him. And Mr. Roman, he really did a wonderful catch. It was really athletic performance he has shown.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nisma Punjab Kesari, please be ready.
Wait,
द ट्रॉफी। मैं आपके समय से ज़्यादा नहीं बट खाली 2 मिनट लेना चाहूँगा। आपका पूरा टीम बहुत ही बढ़िया खेला, knowing the fact that they were not having a A+ contingent here। आपके हर एक प्लेयर ने इतना बढ़िया, they gave their 150%। जिग्नेश की लीडरशिप की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट दैट। बट उससे भी बढ़िया आई विल लाइक टू कॉल गौरीश फॉर हिज डेडिकेशन। साला हाथ टूटा है, कीपिंग करता है, फील्डिंग करता है, बैटिंग करता है, बॉलिंग करता है और न जाने क्या क्या करता है। रियली दैट इज अ ट्रू डेडिकेशन ऑफ द टीम एंड दैट इज द रियल टीम स्पिरिट what they have demonstrated, and this is the reason why they are the finalists. Thank you. भाई विकास भाई ने बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, क्योंकि इनको हमने लगन टीम का निशान दिया है और वो अंग्रेजों को हरा नहीं पाए, तो इनको अभी 3 गुना लगन करना पड़ेगा।
On behalf of my whole team, yeah, on behalf of my whole team, when we started first match, it was not a concern, but we almost play first time to each other. Even you see last MPL, I did not play any one of them. Okay, but really, I am lucky. Even I don't know if I did play with Ivan or not. But the ever best team so far I got up to NPL. The maturity level of each keeper, each person was amazing. Dedication, hard work, whatever you say, they listen, they never complain. And even in the ground, they did their best 100%. We know that we have some big points, but we overcome it and we try to reach in the final. Today, little bit not our day, but ultimately we gone against each and every team. We gone against each and every team. What was fighting? We gone against them. So we won 5 out of 7 games. No, please. I would like to give to Marty because unconditional support, and you will never get honor like it.
जस्ट मुझे यही कहना है कि हार जीत तो ये तो हिस्सा है, दुख होता है हारने में, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन हमने साथ में सिर्फ 5 गेम जीते, इसकी खुशी हमको बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो ये आज की गेम से भी बहुत बड़ा है कि हमने पूरा एक ड्रामा पैदा करके रखा था सबके लिए कि भूटानी भाई एक ट्रॉफी टीम है, तो ठीक है।
Anybody from our team want to say anything? No? Anybody?
I will not say which already spoken, but one thing I would say, we started with a hiccup. Our best player who had last moment he left, but in spite of that, we started with the best of that, whatever we can. And to my understanding, I played one of the best games in my life. Thank you.
So at the end, we all win as we mentioned, and let's cheer up for today.
इस साइड आ जाना, पापा के पास चला जा।
each and every member he captured, we really should appreciate her support, her dedication, and her patience about because last MPL we could not watch all the video, and you will get all the video of your match during this time. So I really appreciate.
ओके और 5 मिनट और वेट करो। भाभी कल सवेरे पनवेल जाना है मुझे मालूम है।
Before giving the trophy to the best bowlers and the best bowlers are batsmen and bowlers are those who decide the fate of the tournament, who decide the fate of the match. Trophy cup competition for the batsmen and bowlers because everyone gives a lot of love to each other. One time it was scoring, sometimes it's wickets, but at the end the team who went up to the finals get the advantage to score more runs, to get more wickets. To start with the best batsman, I would like to call any guess for the best batsman. I think there is no much doubt to guess, so please welcome Vignesh Bhai to receive your throughout the tournament he played well.
यार ये तो सब लोग खेलते हैं यार, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है सब उनको ही देते हो।
No, print नहीं है, that's
बैटिंग का लाना पड़ेगा।
Now it's time for the bowler who gives the tough time to the batsman. A bowler who really bowled well, who took the in the last match he took the 4 wickets. No, it's not allowed right now. From starting he played well and really he gave a very tough time to the umpires because most of the time the batsman was complaining whether it's fast or not fast. So really it was a tough time, but really he varied his speed, lot of excellent leg spin, and from day one he was the consistent. So leg spinner है वो.
Come on, guess.
Anyways, no, the first guess was right. It's Rajveer Rao.
2 overs 3 runs 4 wickets today. Wow.
Now I like to call the winners. आज शाम के विजेता Nesma Titan team. Please come on the stage.
Come on, boys!
नेस्मा टाइटन बहुत ही बढ़िया खेली और उन्होंने आज कप जीता है NPL 3 का विजेता नेस्मा टाइटन। वाकई विकास किया है उनकी टीम का, स्टार प्लेयर है उनकी टीम की, काफी अच्छे उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है. आई लाइक टू आस्क इफ एनीवन हैज एनीथिंग टू से.
Thank you for all again. Actually, I just want to say some few words on behalf of my team or regarding my team, because without that words, this tournament will not be complete for me at least. You can start with Naresh. You all see the way he fielded on the boundary. Every match, at least 15 to 20 runs he preserved for us. So, a fabulous example of bowling, batting and fielding. Then going to Samir at crucial moments when knockout stage of semi-final with Sultans, he took the first main crucial wicket. Today also he took the main crucial wicket of Mr. Signes. One of the big trade for us for this guy. And so today again going back to Naresh. Naresh is having his marriage anniversary today, and we round of applause for Bhaji also. So Samir, he put his all the efforts for fielding, bowling, whenever we required, and in crucial match he come up. I must say that beginning of the tournament, one consistency we maintain is Samir won the first over, and up to now he hit the average of 4 runs per over. So a best bowling example from Samir. Bhushan was my trump card. Whenever I want to him to come in, come out, and he was fabulous with bowling. With keeping in the semis, very nice. Ayush, what to say with this guy? Actually, we preserve at the same time. We preserve Ayush only for knockout games. Up to then, we used only Somu, but Ayush was my trump card, and he played. You see the bowling. Semi-final 2 overs, 4 runs. Today also good bowling example. Somu, my team call him Messi. You see his efforts in the field. So I admire the Kikam also. Whenever he is in, I won the match. Rakesh Mungi, what do you have to say about this guy? Every time, the feeling is stable. Along you know, when I went to Georgia, Vikas and Rakesh Chogle, they lead the team. And when I come back, before that I was fielding on long on. I come back and you know the team said, now you are 50s. So you don't have any position in this radar. You want to keep, either keep or go out. So I was keeping until I got injured. So this is my team actually. Rakesh Chogle, what to say with this guy? Really, first in this stage when he was not scoring, then he come to me and he said, no Dada, I want to open. And we keep trust on him and we ask him to open, and you see, total match he changed all the matches. So only one match he played 4 balls without any complaint, no bowling, no batting. But our main coach, he is our coach actually. And full support. He never complained, he was just giving a good guidance. His inputs were very fabulous and we were implementing it. Today also, he gave us a fabulous input about the Jignesh Bhai, how to get him out earlier. So it comes, you know, he was watching from outside in camera, how who is playing out. So this is Mr. Prabhu. Prabhu, what to say with this guy? In finals, 2 overs, 3 runs, 4 wickets. It's a fabulous performance. It's not only because of he is my son, but the way he is playing the full tournament. Really, I must thank you and I appreciate Avinash words that you see. We saw him playing in NPL 1, in NPL 2, and now in NPL 3. The people are growing, the team is growing, and this is actually what we wanted. And we are achieving the target. You see the next NPL, another kids are coming, and it will be definitely difficult for us to defeat them. So really fabulous performance. This guy, you know, for him, I make one statement, beginning of the tournament, and you know, and that statement was, Sabka Saath, Mera Vikas. And you see, he's not 44 not out in quarterfinal. And really, Vikas is really, he made our team Vikas totally. So this is my fabulous team. Really, even though the NPL is completed, but the bonding we made with the team. Everyone was coming and giving suggestion, and we are discussing and we were implementing that one. Even today also we implement one suggestion that we asked Rakesh Chogle to keep, and we put Somu in fielding and Bhushan in only bowling. So this all work actually. And you see the fielding, bowling, fabulous performance each and every. And the last but not least, because after this ceremony I have to go home, the support given by the team owner was also fabulous, because every day it took around 10 o'clock to sleep, then again morning company. So really round of applause to again all of them. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. So अब वो समय आ गया है जब the grand NPL 3 trophy goes to Team Nespa. Really well played and well deserved.
Thank you. I request all team members, family members come on stage.
Congratulations to the winner.
आयु के पास दो. आयु. Three cheers for Team Titans.
Congratulations to the winners. आज एक सरप्राइज है. Mr. Praveen Sononi, please come here on the stage. Even when your friend travels,
आपको भी एक फोटो लेना है.
सेल्फी तो नहीं ले रहे हो ना?
Thank you.
आज दो हमारे पास दो स्वीट्स ओकेजन है. एक तो रोहित भाई का हैप्पी बर्थडे है.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हमें थोड़ा जल्दी हो रहा है, हम 4 मिनट वाली लाते. और भाभी जी का एनिवर्सरी है, सो इट्स बी ऑनर कि हम स्टेज पे हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं.
प्रभु भाई व्हाट अ बैटिंग, व्हाट अ बैटिंग. ओनली 4 बॉल प्ले है, व्हाट अ बैटिंग.
पूरा मैच
अपूर्वा ये ना इधर ट्रॉफी.
हमें पता नहीं था आपकी एनिवर्सरी है.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
आज ये लोगों की भी एनिवर्सरी
Thank you. Thank
आता केकच घेऊन जाऊ तिकडे. सगळ्या लहान लहान.
हाँ दोस्त.
नरेश भाई अगर आप आ जाएंगे तो आपका भी सुल्तान जैसा ही लगेगा.